Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace door speaker on a Honda Odyssey. We're working here on a 2007 model, but should be the same from 05 to 2010. This is the speaker I'm talking about right here. Driver side, passenger side will be about the same procedure, so stay with us. Let's go ahead, start on it now guys. Please subscribe and help us grow that channel together. Alright guys, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and right here now there is one screw that we need to remove. We have a link for all the tools and parts that we use guys on Amazon, for Amazon on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. You can find it in the description under the video below. We're building the site now and just sharing all the links where we get our stuffs from. Now right here there is another cap, you can see right here, that we need to open. Okay, like that. Oh, but it's still stuck now. Okay, right there. So we're trying to pull it out. I think we'll need to use a smaller screwdriver or a trim removal tool for this one now. Okay, right there guys, you see that's the one that you need to press in and pull it out. Because right here underneath there are two screws with a Phillips screwdriver that we'll need to remove. They're a little bit hidden. So one is out, one more to go. For the second one you can close the door handle all the way. Okay, like that. So with the trim removal tool guys, we need to remove that switch now because there is a hidden screw underneath it, so be gentle. Okay, there are a few clips holding it. Okay, it came up. Now we need to disconnect the wire. Okay, right here, this one you need to push in, you need to pull the wire out. It's a little bit short wire, so not as convenient. Okay, started coming out. Okay, perfect, like that. Now let us show you where the screw is. Okay, right here you can see that's pretty hidden there. So removing this one now. Okay, right there. Now underneath there you can get the prying tool and start removing the door panel guys. It has a few clips holding it and then we need to slide it up. Okay, you see what I'm talking about, to go over the lock. Okay, like that. Now we need to disconnect. We need to disconnect a couple wires. Okay, this one here for the light. Press in, pull out, and now we need to disconnect the locking cable right here. Okay, like that. And then you just pull it out. Then you need to remove that thing to the side. Okay, this one is a little bit stuck. Okay, open it like that and pull it out guys. And the door panel is out of the way now. So we removed the door panel guys, now we can get to the speaker. You can see it's right here. So with a Phillips screwdriver we need to remove only three screws. Okay, that hold the speaker to the speaker mount. One is out, second one working on second out now. And that's the third one. Those are really tight screws. especially if they have not been removed in the past. You pull it out. Okay, all we have now is the wires. So you squish those in towards each other and pull it out, guys. And this is the speaker right here. You can see, not a complicated procedure at all. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.